Hello again, it's Giselle Toner, and here is the Eternity Yoga website videos. This one is yoga weight loss, slimming down effortlessly. Now, we already know how hard it is to lose weight for many people, but with yoga, it really works in a different way. So you're not starving yourself. What you're doing is you're actually sensitizing yourself to make better choices. And that is the key. When you make better choices, you'll definitely be able to slim down, lose weight without the traditional starvation tactics and yo-yo fad diets. So let's go through this. I will just continually scroll down, but I will take my time with it. And I want you to pause your video so that you can read through it. So here we go. And here I have a copy of the DVD. That is the Eternity Yoga's Power Fusion Intermediate Advanced DVD. Now, if you are interested in losing weight, you want to build muscle, you want to burn fat, and this DVD will definitely help you get there because this is a much more high-powered, energetic form of yoga than a traditional basic yoga class. So this is for people who want to work hard, and hopefully you already have some yoga experience because this one is a little bit more advanced. I will put the link on this in the description in the video if you want to check it out. And I will see you in the next page.